In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two files for differences directly in OneDrive using Microsoft Copilot. This is a quick and practical way to review changes between documents without needing to open each one side by side and scan through them manually. If you work with drafts, revisions, or updated versions of files, this can save you a lot of time and help you focus on the key changes right away. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft OneDrive account. Once you're in, go to the folder that contains the two files you want to compare. It helps if you already know which versions you want to review, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right location before moving on. Next, select the first file. Then, to select the second file as well, hold down the Control key if you're using Windows or the Command key if you're on a Mac, and click the second file. Both files should now be selected at the same time. This is important because Copilot needs both files selected in order to compare them together. After that, look at the top toolbar and click the Copilot icon. This will open the Copilot pane where you can interact with it using natural language. The nice thing here is that you don't need any special formatting or technical command. You can simply describe what you want Copilot to do. In the Copilot chat box, type a request like compare these two files and list the key differences. Keep your wording clear and direct so Copilot understands the task right away. Once your request is ready, press enter to send it. Copilot will then generate a summary based on the two selected files. Review the response carefully. It will typically point out important differences such as changed wording, newly added content, and content that has been removed. This gives you a fast overview of what has changed between the two documents, which is especially useful when you need to review edits efficiently. And that's all it takes. By selecting both files, opening Copilot, and asking for a comparison, you can quickly spot differences in your documents right inside OneDrive. Like, it's a simple workflow that can make document review much faster and much easier, especially when you're working with multiple versions of the same file.